here from San Clemente, California, and today I am going to teach you a bar song. This is a 32 count, 4-wall, 1-tag beginner line dance. It's choreographed by Ben Murphy, and the great music is by Shabuzi, called a bar song. So let's get to it. So starting on our first wall, we're going to do a rumba box, and that is weight on the left, step right together, right forward, tap, left side together, left back, tap. And those are your first 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you go to the right, you step on the left, you take your right forward, then tap the left. Left, we go step with the left, step onto it with the right, go back with the left, and tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First 8 counts. Your next set of 8 counts take you step side to the right, tap, left, tap, then a grapevine to the right, step, behind, step, tap. Now we do a grapevine to the right with a quarter turn and a scuff at the end. So we first do our step, tap, and then the grapevine, step, behind, quarter turn to the left over the left shoulder, and scuff. Let me do that again. It is right, tap, left, left, tap, right, step out, behind, side, tap, left and tap, right, tap the left, side, behind, side with a quarter turn and a scuff. That's second count of 8. Here are the counts for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the top, we have rumba box. Side together forward, side together back. Step, tap, grapevine, tap. Step, tap, grapevine quarter turn with a scuff. Let me do the counts and then we'll move on. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going on, the next set of 8 counts we have heel together, a little jump with our feet apart, and our hips go side and side. So that is, from the scuff, we have heel together, jump, pause, and then hip, from the top. No, let me do the counts for that. There's your scuff on 8. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. That might not be easy to see facing that way, so I'll just turn this way. We've got our foot lifted. It's heel together, little jump out, not wide, pause, and then hip. You don't have to jump, you can just pop your knees if you like. All right, let's take this from the top. We have side together forward, side together back, step tap, a grapevine to the right, step tap, a grapevine to the scuff, a heel together, jump, and hip. On the pause, you could do a little clap for right now so that you know that you've got it there. With the counts, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, choreography, but it's a pause. But I like to clap for beginners so they get used to that pause. All right, that's the 32 counts. And we're now on our second wall facing 9. Here we go. We have side together, forward tap, side together, back tap, right tap, left tap, grapevine to the right with a tap, left tap, right tap, grapevine to the left with a scuff, heel together, little jump, hip, hip. All of it, wall 2 with counts, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we have a tag at wall 10. So let's count our walls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're facing 9 o'clock. We do all of wall 10. We finish it. We've got our heel together, jump, hip, hip. Now here's our tag before we start wall 11. And it's just take a right side and a tap and a left side and a tap. That's all it is. And then we start from the beginning with the rumba box. So let's try that. I'm going to do wall 10, the tag, and then I'm going to go into wall 11. Here we go. Wall 10. We have side together forward, side together back, step tap, a grapevine to the right, step tap, a grapevine to the left with a scuff, heel together, jump, hip, hip, step, tap. Then we start wall 11, side together back, step tap, a grapevine to the right, step tap, side behind quarter turn with a scuff, heel together, jump, hip, hip. Alrighty, so that is the tutorial, and please like my videos. Name's Anne Leslie. Love dancing, been dancing for years, and I hope you've enjoyed it. And big shout out to Sir Shabuzi for this very successful record, this very successful music. Alrighty, bye!